Come and enjoy and relax at Gustifun Nature Park located at Paragliding site, MAASIM, Sarangani Province. We offer some foods from our menu. The following are KINILAW, PANGA, belly, SOTANGHON GUISADO, chicken adobo, barbecue, pork, and experience the fresh and relaxing view here at Gustifun. We have also our entrance fee for day rate 30 pesos, in night rate 50 pesos. Come and visit now or message us to our page Gustifun Nature Park, or you may contact us at 0935 1584158. What are you waiting for? Come and visit now at Gustifun Nature Park at Paragliding site, MAASIM, Sarangani Province.